Hey folks, how are you today? Well, there is construction work going on right outside my window because why not? So I hope you can't hear it too much. In any case, today I wanted to chat with you about something that has been all over the internet in the course of this week and over the last few days. So basically, AI implementation in Google and also in Bing by Microsoft. So Bard versus Bing ChatGPT integration. And yeah, on the one hand, of course, I'm sure you're also tired of hearing only about AI on LinkedIn. On the other, I couldn't help but think how these solutions are going to actually transform product-led growth. Because so far, product-led growth has been more of a philosophy than a real thing, to be perfectly honest. Very few companies, including ourselves, to be honest, are using it to its fullest because it's just so hard to leverage user data in order to provide meaningful in-app experiences and prompts to really push the users onto the right happy path and in order to push for more upsells and expansion revenue. Why is that? The problem isn't that we don't have data. We have, in fact, too much data to make sense of all the different data points and segment the users correctly and frequently enough, and to see all the trends and patterns that may indicate there is a problem in app, and to react to all the different user behavior scenarios that may happen inside your product, especially if your product is complex. So let's see how AI and machine learning could change that situation. Fast forward 5 years from now, it will probably be possible, first thing, to automatically identify the best PQLs and pass them on to an automated workflow or the relevant SDRs. So machine learning algorithms would be able to compare the user journeys of the successful trial signups from the past to the user journeys of the new trial signups, detect the user behavior cues that indicate high conversion potential, and then send those accounts to the respective AE or maybe a CSM. Same with high value accounts that are wandering off the happy path. So another thing that machine learning can help with is identify the happy paths for different user personas. And then when the users wander off that happy path, so they, for instance, perform some rage clicks or they have not achieved a milestone that is necessary for them to achieve a certain business outcome that they signed up to your product for, this algorithm would be able to identify these users, auto segment them. That's another use case that AI will be helpful with, and then use in-app experiences with automated ultra relevant microcopy to push these users back onto the happy path. So what we're doing all manually in the pilot, and what product marketing managers, for instance, are doing by like predicting all these scenarios and writing microcopy for all these experiences, will likely be replaced by solutions like ChatGPT. And yeah, same, of course, with self-serve support. So this is probably the most obvious and prominent use case, that AI will be able to read your help docs, to identify and read user trends, and then basically based on that, provide real-time, super accurate and super relevant answers to the questions that your users might have. So again, this will completely transform the way that the resource center that you already have in a user pilot, for instance, might look like in just a few years' time. I'm curious about your thoughts on how you think AI will change product-led growth, product management, product marketing in general. Just hit reply to this email and let me know, and hopefully we can have a productive discussion about it. looking forward to seeing you again next week. Have a great one. Bye.